spectacular bowling effort by RCB, restricting DC to 162. What do you have to say about our bowlers and the way they performed here in Delhi tonight?
So Josh Hazelwood was like spectacular, and he was taking crucial wickets at crucial times. 100 dot balls is like planting millions of trees in the IPL.
Well, coming into the game, I didn't expect them to, that we'll be able to stop them at 160. But the bowling was pretty good. And for me, Hazelwood was one of the best, as he is always with his length. And also, purple cap suits on Hazelwood, and he has become a purple cap holder now in this season.
I think they bowled quite well with Krunal giving the breakthrough and making it with 28 runs just out of 4 overs. So that was a very economical spell, and I think he did the part.
I think the use of the spinners that they did, and analyzing the pitch early on, that it got the spin and it is a very slow pitch. The ball stayed down, so they were actually putting the pressure on the batsmen because of the dot balls. So they used the spinners very well. Suyash Sharma, it's his home ground as well. So he's a Delhi guy, and his bowling was absolutely awesome.
Like, he doesn't take that much of wicket, but his economy is so good. Like, he doesn't give that much of runs. So I'm very impressed this year.
या भुवनेश्वर कुमार ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, और जो उसने क्रूशियल 3 विकेट्स निकाली आरसीबी के लिए, वही आई थिंक जो हम 160 के अंडर आरसीबी को इसको दिल्ली को रोक पाए, वो की बॉलर था जो अच्छा कर पाया.
You can see around, like, no one's chanting DC, it's just RCB all around. Even though it's the Delhi home ground, it's just the people love watching Virat Kohli play, and RCB in general, just amazing to watch right now.
RCB needing 163 runs to win this match. How exactly did they manage this chase? What would you like to highlight?
I was a little bit scared when they lost 2 wickets in the start, but then Krunal Pandya and Virat Kohli kept it going, and yeah, I had confidence on them that they'll take the game ahead. Mukesh Kumar's over, in which Krunal Pandya has had 2 big hits. So yeah, I was very confident about the chase.
बहुत मजा आ गया. एकदम अभी तक गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं. लास्ट ईयर मैच नहीं होता, आरसीबी को बहुत मिस करा हमने कोहली को. इस बार कोहली ने आते ही 50 मार दिया, तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है देख के, बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Krunal Pandya, I think, played a really good innings. I think sending him early was a pretty good decision.
तो उन्होंने 6s मारे क्रूशल स्टेज पे, वो फैबुलस थे. बहुत उन्होंने टीम को स्ट्रॉन्ग पोजीशन पे लाया है, तो बहुत उनकी पार्टनरशिप भी बहुत उनकी अहमियत थी. बहुत.
Just a classic game for Virat Kohli. Pressure on the team. He's back in his home turf, and we are 3 wickets down, 30 runs, lot of runs to chase, and Virat Kohli played a beautiful supporting innings. Krunal Pandya, I think, even though he came off with a shaky start, I think he started middling the ball and turned the game around. Kohli gave him good support, and I think perfect innings, perfect chase for King Kohli in his home turf.
I don't know. You can just check my throat, my voice. It says enough. From the beginning till the end, the fingers were crossed. The starting was fine. The mid, slightly horror. But then, oh my God, RCB, Virat, and obviously Krunal Pandya, amazing, amazing, amazing. Just at the right time when they perform, that is RCB, that is RCB loyalty, and that is why we will always be with this team forever and ever and ever.